Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Richard Craft Professional. Today again we start like silky straight hair for most demandable haircut with round layers and non-compromise the length, and ultimately will be give to the something bouncy and flashy and densey look. And after a haircut it will be going to be transformations, just look so unique and clean and stylish look even though. So this all the sections will be going to be start, and all the things will be explained to the very step by step and pin to pin each and everything. Please watch till the end, you comes to know complete of the haircut video how we did it. If you really like the video, please hit the like. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get dive into the haircut video right. So all the sections got separate, and front sections, crown sections and side sections, and back section will be going to be separate. So this haircut will be going to be carry forward something unique look and something mesmerizing stylish ways. And after that I'm explaining with help up to the comb as well, and back also I'm explaining with the same way. Then finally I'll start with one length basic. So one length basic, it will be need for something carry forward look, will be clean and neat, and the length can be given to the proper up to the guideline for create the layering for round layers. So after the one length basic, we're going to be start with complete of the elevation of the layers, which round layers, which going to be pretty much interesting parts we're going to be seeing. And the something your hair is very silky and thin. So I picked from this exactly the center profile, and I'm starting to add layers on the hair. And occipital bone to the exactly the crown section, I'm lifting up all the hair, and rest of the remaining is falling down. And the occipital bone to top hair I'm just taking as a guideline, and rest of the hair leaving as it is. And started by the section by section, thin section going to be finishing on this. So whenever you start the layering, ensure the and most probably thin sections, it will be very much important to the haircut visible, clean and neat, no matter how long it takes time, but patiently has take thin sections for ultimate haircut finishing. So after that no need to be check much and all. And bulky sections will be given layers, but it's not that much finishing which can be seen in thin section on. So that is the things for mesmerizing layers which can be add clean and neat finishing end of the day. Look also visible very clean and in. And after that I'm just cross checking the section which we have done. After that I'll come to another side, the same thin section in this pick, and stationary guideline pick from the previous side. The rest of the hair going to be converted in the layers. As the same thing in thin section, I'm just going to follow up to the complete of the haircut. So the round layers which easily to be basically suited for wavy and straight silky hair, and even done any one of the straightening hair also will be really recommendable for this haircut who wants to be carry the layers, and apart from non-compromise the length, this is ultimately really good for them. The last section going to be finished. and after that I'm cross checking that too. So I'll finally come to the side portion. Before giving to the layers, just giving one length basic. So after that we started to the layering. The stationary guideline picked from the back and rest of the hair going to merge in the layers. And we're following up the thin sections. After that I'm cross checking. Finally I'll come to another side too. The same way we'll following up. The stationary guideline picked from the back and the rest of the hair going to be merging in the as layers. The last one section is going to be finished. And after that I'm cross checking. So finally I'm going to be release the crown sections. Both the hair is merging in this layering technique slightly, we just overlapping exactly the center of the crown, and I pick from exactly the center of the crown portions and rest of the hair going to be merging in the 90-degree layers. Remember guys, both the sides we just overlapping in center of the crown because I want to add extra something more voluminous on the crown portions and the hair has to be visible more bouncy look. So that's the purpose, we're just picking as to the overall hair to the center towards the overlapping the bit of the layers which can be give a clean and bouncy look. After that I'm cross checking. And finally I'll come to another side too. The remaining same thing will be following up the step by step. So last one section is what remain. That we're going to finish. After that I'm cross checking. So finally I'll come to the fringe sections, which very important haircut which can giving to the in the framings and overlapping framings, and after that I'm cutting bangs, the multiple things in be included in that. Before that I'm just picking the center hair profile, the both the sides are separated and step by step back giving to the something like perfectly fringes with overlapping techniques or directions technique. So after that I'm taking as thin sections and curved part merging in the layers. So the same way, following up to another side, I picked from the previous side guideline as well. Before that, giving to the fringes. So what we did in previous side, same we will following another side too. After that, giving to the fringe curtain banks of layers, the same previous guideline picked from the another side, and the start they are going to be merging in the layers. After that, I just did a messy blow dry and I was showing that layers completely to my models, so how can be carried forward. And before that, giving to that volume blow dry and exactly overlifting all the hair and roots and giving to that messy volume. And after that, I released. I can just see without the styling itself, the layering clearly visible and looking was clean and neat. So I'm showing to my client that before the styling how it will be going to carry forward the overall the layers, and she was pretty much happy and she is very confident in that layers. So what she got expected, and she got it exactly the same way. And just showing some styling parts, how to do the haircut. After that, the bends and buns, so many open hairstyles we're going to explain. After that, and just finally start with one of my perfect and evergreen blow dry technique, which is called spiral blow dry. And this is the only one thing which my haircuts will be keep everything is updated and clean, and mesmerizing look will be given to the end of the day, which can be need up to the perfection of the blow dry and visible very much volume and flexible on finishing. And after that, I come to another side too. So hope you guys all are understand the video and enjoyed to this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, please put on the comments below. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to follow my Insta and Facebook page. The links mentioned in the description below, please go and check it out, and just please follow me over there. And side portion, I come to finishing up to the blow dry after that. And this is one of the best techniques which can be long lasting. The styling part, it will be remain and long lasting and visible, clean and finishing. It's flexible. Even after the styling, they can do the pony and whatever they want, and when they are release the hair, it will remain replace back with what we done the styling parts. And after that, I'll come to another side. It will be side section. Both the sides will going to finishing soon. After that, I release that too. Finally, I'll come to the crown portion. The center crown, we're just going to add the blow dry styling technique, which focusing on the crown portion and adding more volume and giving to the nice heat and clean finishing. Finally, I'll come to the fringe last section. So this will be the end finishing sections we're going to be finished. After that, we release the complete of the layer haircut, the presentations. I hope you all are enjoyed the video. Please stay tuned the end. You can just see the complete of the finishing of the haircuts. So this is the final look, which after the haircut, which we shown up to the as a round layers complete of the haircut techniques. Hope you all have enjoyed the video and understand to this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. After the styling, we're just flowing up to the complete of finishing, and the layers was visible top to bottom, clean and bouncy glossy finishing. And the front faces, you can see similarly butterfly layers also visible, the remain same, and the same techniques with the doing up the styling. My client was really happy of these haircuts, and she was so much of surprised to stunning look for haven't looked ever before. So the giving to the feedback about the haircut and exactly in the during of the haircut sessions. So this is a call complete of the haircut long layers after the finishing of the round layer. So after that I'm just showing her to very clearly, and very much happy to that scene and mesmerizing finishing. You can just have a look and complete of the flexible finishing. And after that we're going to start the texturing. So finally we started to the texturing, a step by step, side by side, and used it to become which way done the layer, the same technique after that giving to the texture. Overall the texture is, there is two benefits which can be given. One is cross checking, another thing is giving to the layers flexibility and loss more. So ensure that after the haircut depends on the hair length and dense, you must add some texture which can be going to be carry forward neat and clean finishing, and the hair layers will be long lasting more, and the styling only the part which can be remain to be carry forward and end of the day after the haircut. So all the sides got texture, also got finishing. Now we come into the crown portion. One side is got finished and another side. And finally I'll come to the fringe portion. So that is the last haircut which can be given to the texture and the last finishing. So this is a complete of my haircut finishing. Hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Will we meet up to the different haircut concept up to the subject. Until, take care and be safe.